We are back this week in COVID-19 prevention mode to bring you your latest Crypto Capsule, the weekly recap of all the developments in the global crypto ecosystem that you need to know. And all this in less than 60 seconds. Here we go. The idea of a US central bank digital currency was discussed last week during a session of the US Congress Financial Services Committee. The message delivered to lawmakers from former CFTC Chairman Chris Giancarlo was that America's financial infrastructure is seriously outdated and that the coming wave of innovation will put enormous strain on the country's financial systems. South Korea's central bank announced that it has formed a legal advisory group to evaluate issues surrounding a potential CBDC launch. The central bank had announced in early April that it had launched a pilot program to assess the logistics of issuing a CBDC. In India, it was reported the government is looking to introduce a law to ban cryptocurrencies. This is following a Supreme Court decision that stated that the central bank could not forbid banks from providing services in relation to cryptocurrencies. And finally, JP Morgan reportedly mentioned in an investor note that Bitcoin has shifted from a fairly uncorrelated asset to one whose price more closely tracks traditional stocks. The investment bank also reportedly mentions that Bitcoin is here to stay, although for the moment it is used more as a vehicle for speculation than that as a medium of exchange or store of value. That's all for this week, folks, and see you all next week, most probably still in coronavirus prevention mode.